Will you ever actually make money online, like decent money, money that could replace your job? This is probably a question that you ask yourself a lot, and no doubt you've got someone like the second you sitting on your shoulder telling you the answers and saying, no, it's never going to happen, it's not going to work. This little voice inside of us, we need to learn not to listen to, because the only way that you will fail is by giving up. If you don't give up, if you stick at this, then something is going to gel, something's going to fall in place, and you are going to make money online. Now today I've got a product that I'd like to review, and this is a special one to me because the product is by one of my first mentors, Mr. Fergal Downs himself. And I mentioned Fergal in my webinars. I always refer to the fact that he was one of my first mentors. I took his training package and I launched a product on Warrior Plus after doing that with him, and we did $8,000, and I was delighted, and it was the beginning of my online career. Now Fergal's program that he's just released is pretty bold but genuine. All right, what he's got here is something that is going to make you $297 in the first 7 days, and then $297 per day thereafter. Now, ordinarily, that would sound like a load of crap, right? With all the stuff that is out there. I know, I get it. The sales pages are they're just full of it. And if it wasn't for the fact that this was Fergal, then I'd say, yeah, possibly it's a load of BS, but it's not. And I'm going to show you his sales page, which is very, very basic and honest and non-hypey, and just, it is what it is with Fergal. It's genuine stuff. His training is, I followed his training to the letter. I still remember, his course, I still remember the training lessons that I took with Fergal years ago, watching the videos, and I can still remember those lessons, and that's saying something, especially with my memory, which is useless. It really is, because he teaches you just what you need to know, how you need to do it, in a simple step-by-step fashion that anybody can follow. Now, I want to give you some examples of what I've been able to do, because what he's going to teach you to do is create a simple one-page website that you can sell for $297, and this is based on fact. This is what he's been doing. He's been testing it out, and now he's going to show you exactly how to do it. And he's set this up as a 7-day challenge so that you're accountable, and so that people can actually be live in his Facebook group reporting their sales. This is exciting stuff. Challenges are always good. 7 days is not a lot of time to wait. I mean, it's usually a bit longer than that. But let me just show you some of my figures. So up the top here, this is my Warrior Plus account, the website package. You can see I've done 9 sales there, and I've earned $4,000. And then this is from my Kartra platform, so I've got 2 payment processors, and I've done 43 sales there, and I've earned $19,334. So that's $23,348 generated making websites, which is not too scabby. And it's something that you can always turn to get some extra money when you need it. And the fact that you're going to make probably $297 in the first week and then continue to make $297s and day after day, I think that's pretty exciting. So let me show you what we got. So this is Fergal's sales page, and as I said, it's very, very basic. It's not like the sort of stuff that you're seeing out there at the moment, but that shouldn't put you off. In fact, what that should do is fill you with confidence, because this is not trying to pull the wool over your eyes, not trying to give you a load of old baloney on how you can make $297 with a click of a button in the next 15 minutes, which is the kind of stuff you'd normally see. This is an honest sales page. It says that the untapped 2022 method makes us $297 per day by creating simple one-page websites for people in 7 days or less. Now, the in 7 days or less is your challenge. That's for you to get your first sale, and then it's going to be thereafter. So if you watch the sales video on there, which is Fergal.
So guys, it's Fergal here, and I want to firstly welcome you to my 7-day challenge. So inside this...
All right, so again, this is not a fancy VSL. It's just Fergal being Fergal. and he's an honest guy, and I respect him, and so I know that you're going to have no issues with this one. All right, if you want to make money, then providing a service online is one of the most, I guess, direct ways of doing it, because literally someone comes to you, or you find them, and there's traffic included in all of this as well, but and you're providing them with something that they want, and you deliver that, and you get the money, and that's it. No questions asked. There's no rubbish. There's no hypey bullshit. All right, it's just genuine stuff. Okay, so let me show you my bonuses. So I'm going to give you bonuses that are relative to this, and the first one is my domain pimp package. So that's valued at 197. So you're going to learn from me video training. This is created and recorded by me. Choosing your domain name for a review site, domains for affiliate marketing, domains, what you can do first, easy and fast, the petty pimp for domains, how to pimp domains, finding discounts for domains, how to find domains that will sell, advanced domains, what's selling, increasing the perceived value, setting up your domain for sale on Warrior Plus, and pimping overview. Now all of this here is going to be an additional revenue stream for you, because this is going to show you how you can literally create domains that you can sell in this make money online niche. All right, which is, so it gives you another string to your bow. And it's exactly what I do. All right, that's how I made all that money doing my domains. Also, I've got here panning for gold. So panning for gold 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Panning for gold is a full training. I tell you what, you're gonna love it, right? It shows you all my secrets. That's my speaker going off there. It shows you all my secrets on how I find really valuable domains for a few dollars, and I've got some really good ones doing this, and I show you all my different strategies, and that's in panning for gold. There's 3 different trainings there, and you get the access to the whole lot. All right, so again, you're gonna love that. And then we've got, by special request, I requested from Fergal's traffic for 2022, the full course. So I can show you that. That is here. So this members area is similar to the members area that you're going to see for the challenge, which I can show you in a minute. And this is a full training on traffic. Now, one of the things that I learned when I was working with Fergal, when he was mentoring me, is that traffic is one of the key things. If you can find a program on traffic, then that's going to make all the difference. So this is going to be really, really useful for you. As you can see, it covers everything that you need to do in order to generate traffic, and also the upgrade you're going to get. This is the upgrade, the OTO 1 that you're going to get. Let me just listen to Fergal with you here.
Hey, what's up everyone? It is Fergal Downs here, and first of all I want to say a massive welcome to you to the Done For You Packs upgrade. So what you're going to be getting inside the Done For You Packs is exactly what I used to build my business online. You've got the...
Alright, so it's exactly what he used to build his business online. You get all the information there for that one, and you're also going to get access to, let's come back over here, Traffic Storm, which shows you how to use solo ads to get traffic, build your email list, and make passive income, recurring income sales. Tribe, which shows you how you can build a Facebook group in any niche up to 14,000 members, which again is going to give you more traffic. And Passive Pro, which shows you how you can create passive income on ClickBank. All right, so some really, really nice bonuses there for you. Let me just show you inside the members area for the 7-day challenge itself. So this is the 7-day challenge, and you can see the lessons down the side. There's 18 lessons there, and I just know for a fact that you're going to love it, because it's very straightforward, matter of the fact stuff with Fergal. If you follow what he teaches you, then you will get results. And this, as I said, this is one of the best ways to make money. There's no rubbish with this. I've said it before, but this is real. All right, this is a real way to make money, and if you can make multiple 297s, then I think that's pretty cool. Okay, so look, as always, the bonuses are limited. Go ahead, pick this up as soon as you can. It's very, very cheap. Oh, let me show the upsells. Let's do that. Actually, before I show you the upsells, very, very important. You must make sure you're cookie to me when you buy. Okay, if you are not cookie to me, then you are not going to get the bonuses. So when you come through, what you want to be doing is when you go through to the checkout cart on Warrior Plus, down the bottom, right down the bottom of the page, you'll see a little round icon with a person on there, just as it's pictured here. Just hover over that, and if you see Trevor C or Trevor Carr, then you know that's me, you're good. If you don't, then what you need to do is probably right click. So if I go over to here, so this is my review page, right click on here and open link in private window, or if you're on Chrome, incognito. That's what you want to do to make sure that you can get cookied to me. It's really, really important that you do that, because if you don't do that, you won't get my bonuses, and that's just daft. Especially with these bonuses. These are all the bonuses here that you're going to get once again, and here are this is the funnel and the upsells. All right, so the front end product is, it says, this is Fergal saying this, obviously, my 7-day challenge shows my students how they can make their first $297 sale online within the next 7 days by creating simple websites for people and companies without needing any tech skills. I show them how to advertise their website creation business on various different sites, and also how to advertise offline too. Then I show them how they can make professional websites for people using very simple yet professional WordPress templates. I've created this in challenge format to push people to make their first sale in just 7 days. The first OTO is the Done For You. It's only $37, nice and cheap. In this upgrade, we have Done For You super high converting campaigns ready for you to plug and play. We also include further free traffic method inside the training. Then you've got mass traffic, which is $27. In this upgrade, I give my students more traffic methods that I'm using right now. These traffic methods are different from the main course. Then you've got the OTO 3, which is product launch training, $67, previously sold for $497. Very, very good upgrade, this one. This is training on how to create and launch products on the Warrior Plus and JVZoo platforms from me, a 7-figure product launcher. I wouldn't be surprised actually if some of that is the exact training that I used, and look at where that's taken me. I've done over $1 million in my own sales already so far. OTO 4 is monthly live coaching from Fergal, $97. So with this upgrade, our students get 2 things. 1, access to our Facebook community where I answer all your questions related to internet marketing every day. And 2, access to my monthly live coaching calls where I will guide my students in building their online business. OTO number 5 is the Empire VIP Club, $2 trial for 14 days, then $37 per month. My Empire community is now 1,700 members strong. Inside the training, I teach 1 new traffic method per month. I'm inside the members only Facebook group every day, helping our members to grow their businesses with the traffic methods I teach. And then OTO 6 is the resale rights at $47, so you get 100% commissions on the entire funnel of this actual product, the 7-day challenge. Okay, so that's it. That is it. This is this definitely gets my absolute seal of approval. Massive big thumbs up. I'm a big fan of Fergal stuff, and I know that this will make you money. So if you feel like you've got too much going on at the moment, then still this is the one for you. All right, because this is simple. Right, this is a simple strategy. You'll learn this very, very, very quickly, and you'll soon be pulling in the sales. All right, very non-steep learning curve. Okay, so as always, if you've got any questions, please do let me know. In the meantime, I wish you all the very best. You take care, and I'll speak to you soon. See ya.